it's almost something that the insurance industry hasn't seen yet, is this consistent contact and the use of, this is kind of where we're talking about automation, right? The technology that we have today, why aren't we leveraging it to help us with production in our business? So to Dr. Condon's point, I mean, the contact just isn't there. Most people are in three attempts is probably too much in some of our industry, but and it's sad to say, but it's true. And people are they're texting now. Texting is a way that people are still adapting to. That in my line of work is amazing. I schedule probably 3-4 appointments through text every single day, and I'm only taking 7 or 8 leads a day working part time. So as a full-time agent, you have the access now to call. You should be calling multiple times. You can email, you can text. Depending on your market, you might get a better response rate depending on which source that you're trying to communicate to. But the power of automation is allowing us to now scale our businesses, work more efficiently, and increase our lead flow. So, when you talk about contact, that is the biggest struggle, is it has to come from within the agent. And when you automate a process, you can almost template that process for the agent now. Dumb it down a little.